Cap 26 are just tips, repairs, and hobbies. And here's a little piece of filament that was stuck in the channel here, top and bottom. We pulled it out with a pair of pliers, like that. And what you got here is 564 screws. I put these on a magnet here so we don't lose them, and a little bit of grease. But to assemble this, we'll assemble this next. And this is the 564 electric screwdriver. And we'll just put that over there. So we're going to build this extruder now. Got the new parts here, see? Let's open it up. There's a little bearing that has to go on this wheel, extruder wheel. It goes right there. Like that. You like that? Get this other part out here. Okay. So this wheel goes in there. The arm. Like this, okay? See, like that. Then this part goes in. Pull the wheel back. And you push it in there like that. So it's flush. Okay? Get this little cover here. And this spring goes in there like this, with the top hat like that, and it goes in there like that. See, like that, with that little collar and the indentation towards the left. Take this screw, put it in. Screw it in with the screwdriver. This is the Allen wrench. Back it off just a little bit. Okay, that's good. We got some screws in here we need. I thought we had the screws to put the extruder on. Oh yeah, they're right in here. See, the screws are right in here. Okay, so let's put the extra parts in this bag here. Because you may need them. You never know when you need screws. You drop a screw, whatever. You know, you may need the screws. Save the bags too. Okay. So then we got this cover. It's got an indentation right there. See the indentation? It goes on this pin right there. Like that. I got the screws to put in. Got 4 screws on top. Yeah. Take your Allen wrench. That one's done. These electric ones are very handy. You know, they even have a little torque setting at the end. You know. Okay. This part plugs into your board. When you put it in, you gotta put it in there. probably like this. Goes in there like this, okay? So let's take these screws out. They're just slid in there, so I'll show you what I do. This is a rebuild. This is for the X1 carbon. Got a little hook there. So anyway, I leave these loose, okay? You're gonna put that in there in the machine, put the screws in, okay? And then put your PEFT tube on top, click it in. Make sure it's nice and smooth, the tube, no rough edges. And then this goes in there like that, okay? And those go to the board to the right. So what I do is I put the screws in, because this is a rebuild. And I'm going to screw those in. Not all the way, just slightly for first. Okay, that's in there like that. So you got the whole unit. Then you could test these with a regular Allen wrench, in case you don't. It has to be nice and tight. And so that's all done. It's all rebuilt. So I want to show you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, give a thumbs up. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. We're going to do it with your help. Bye for now.